Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the S&P 500 and why it's falling right now. Look at that, guys. Oh my god. We had this huge ramp up from the 12th of October to about a high of 35.51. Holy moly, that's incredible. That's a 2% move. You do realize that that's like 2% in one day. Usually the S&P returns about 10% a year on average of the past 90 years. So we just got that 2% boost in about one day of worth of time, which is also going to make it overbought because as you can see, the RSI is through the roof. It hit the high of around 85.69. And guys, usually when the stock market becomes this overbought, we see a massive correction. I can show you right now. Hold on. My mouse is tripping. Okay, so the last time we got about that same height of RSI, we had a huge dip, a huge downfall. This was about, I think it was 10%. It was about 7 to 8% to the downside. Now, I don't think this is going to happen again. However, I do think we're going to come back to fill this gap. So don't panic. I don't think this is going to be a panic sell like the last time, because last time there was a lot of bad news coming out. Right now we have a lot of good news, and we didn't even reach the all-time high of 581, 3,590, I think, around that level. So we're not even there yet. There's a lot of upside to come. However, in the near term, we're going to see a correction, because we can also see the MACD right now is correcting. It's crossing over, which if you can see right there are a couple red bars, and it's going to be a little bit more. It's going to be going bearish a little bit more, which means that we could potentially come back to the 3470, which would be a perfect buying opportunity for the near term, for the coming months. Let me just draw it out for you. So yeah, I am seeing the S&P correcting very briefly. And then after this correction, when we consolidate on this level, we're probably going to go up and beyond, because there's a lot of positive catalysts. Q3 is going to be amazing. Q4 is probably going to be amazing. There's probably going to be no lockdown this time around. Companies are just doing pretty good. I'm talking about big tech, talking about the big names like Apple, Tesla, Amazon. Even the banks are doing pretty good. So it wouldn't surprise me if we go up to the 3600 level very, very soon, and even beyond that level, to about the end of the year. So yeah, RSI is going to correct a little bit. We're going to come back down to the 53 probably. We're going to go neutral. MACD is correcting. Let me check the 1 day. 1 day is looking like we have a little bit of room left, but most likely are going to correct a little bit. MACD is still looking bullish in the 1 day. 1 week, we are also very high in the 1 week. So MACD is looking like it wants to cross over. So that could be bearish potentially. And let's look at the 1 month. 1 month is also very high in the RSI. It's all just going to depend on news at this point, because the 1 month MACD is looking bullish. So we could potentially see a quick correction and then going up. In a very bullish scenario, we don't even see that correction. I mean, this could have been the correction itself. In a very bullish scenario, we could even just keep going up. I'll show you. It's going to be looking like this, something like that. And then we just shoot up to the 3600 level in the coming weeks/days. Yeah, but this would be extremely bullish. I really don't think that is going to happen, though. I think we're just going to see a correction. There is also a bear case scenario if something happens, like if the stimulus gets postponed again. I mean, we could see this go down to about the 3350. This is looking like a very good support. This would be a very good support for the near term if everything hits the fan, right? If we really just don't get stimulus, if Trump is really losing, because Trump is good for the markets, obviously. He even stated that on Twitter, which is kind of funny. But yeah, I think near term we're probably going to see a tiny correction to the 3470, and then we go up to new highs probably, guys. It's looking very bullish, so I'm really excited. I hope you are excited, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to get a notification whenever I upload, make sure you subscribe to this channel, guys. There's also 2 links in the description. Trading 212. Best platform out there, 0 commissions. You'll get a free stock if you sign up with that link. It's down in the description. It's up to $100. There's another link for the Discord community. If you want to be part of the Lucid Traders, then make sure you hit that link and then you'll become part of us and we'll have a nice conversation there. Guys, this was Lucid Trading. I'll be seeing you next time.